Well, we are at the Radisson Blu Edwardian Grafton here in London, quite close to Euston Station and next to Warren Street Underground. So as you walk into your room, you have a wardrobe just here. Where's that not focusing? So you've got 2 dressing gowns, an ironing board, complimentary umbrella, iron, and some extra pillows, and then information about dry cleaning and laundry services. So obviously this is the room here. So down here, underneath the storage area, you've got a safe. And just to the left is the bathroom. It's got a large mirror, sink, vanity kits, another mirror, a hot rail there for your towels, toilet, and there's the bathtub and shower. With complimentary shower gels, body lotions and shampoo conditioner. As you walk out of the bathroom, this is a standard king room. This is a king size bed, light switches either side. And then as you look out of the bed, you've got the cabinet here. So telephone, all the ports you ever need. And then tea and coffee is in here. Flat screen TV. And you also have a fridge. Another mirror, a coat rack here, and 2 tables and a chair. We haven't got a view in this one. I believe we're just looking out at other parts of the building. Yeah, that's the Radisson Blu Edwardian Grafton here, London Euston.